Hello folks, Marcelo Torres with one more video analysis for Bitcoin. I wanna apologize for not being able to post earlier today, but I had some things to deal with. For instance, I was working on my indicator here in order to make it colored. So some of you guys might say that I didn't like the color of the indicators with the background, and neither did I. But it was necessary because I wanted to stop putting that circle, colored circle, and make it more easier for me and for you guys to see everything as well. It's just a quick view, and we're able to notice what is going on. Okay. For now, what we have here is we're on a point where Bitcoin is deciding if it's going to go up or not. If we check out the 1 hour chart, we can see that it's almost breaking out the bullish wedge. And I already made some adjustments on this corner right here in order to see if I can still keep this candle inside, because it's not going far, it's not moving fast. So I'm questioning if we are going to have some breakout right now. Okay. But we still have the volume going down while prices go up. Let's go back first. Let's go back to the 4 hour chart. We can see that the gray background says it's similar to that black circle that I used to have here. It's saying that it's a mix with the internal indicator, which is an internal signal. It's still mixed. So, but it started moving down the line. So if it's keep going like that, let's give a zoom on it. Let's see. Look how the indicator is starting to move. It was going on this direction right here, right? And then it started moving this way. So it might go down. If it goes down, we're gonna have a red color on the background saying that the relative strength index is going down. Stochastic is already going down, see, and it already crossed the signal line, so it is totally going down. And we had a minimum, we have a support, a strong support here at 68.24, 68.10, something like that. It's being able to hold this prices on this level. We have this is a 4 hour candle, which is just 50 minutes old. We still have 3 hours and 10 minutes to go. So we have to keep our eyes on this volume to see if it's going to be bigger than the previous one. If yes, then Houston, we might have a problem. If we go with MACD, it's already turning around its histogram, and see how the MACD line is starting to turn around as well. So it might go down as well. Okay, let's keep our eyes on that. I was saying in the Portuguese version of this analysis, today it is the operational strategy top trend. 1H, 4H. 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. Let's see if one confirms the other one. This is what we need for today. Okay, this is what I see for today. I moved these pink arrows to the left, actually to the right, so we can see where we're gonna go. So it says here that we might have something going on April 15, which means it's 2 days. Actually, it's tomorrow. It is tomorrow. And well, it went down once, right? Then it came back, and then went down again, and then it came back, and who knows, it's going to go down. If it goes down, it's going to confirm what? The breakout of the bullish wedge on the daily chart, which is the most important chart for us right now to figure out what is the Bitcoin move. Okay, so as I told you guys, let's go with the 4 hour chart and the 1 hour chart. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. Here we go. It is trying to go down. Notice how how the Bollinger Band is turning around and wants to go down. Okay, we already have the stochastic going down. We have the relative. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, here we go. We have the relative strength going down as well. We have MACD going down. We have the price spread going down as well. And we do have the short-term trend going down. So we have a lot of indicators saying it's time to go down. So let's see how that's going to move, and check out the spread, how far it is going, how strong the line is going down. Look at this line here, the black line, how strong it's going down. Okay, so let's keep our eyes on that to see how it's going to move. And I want to check out the behavior of the money pressure. Here we go. We have it still positive. We have the 1 hour chart with the 8 minutes to end, and then we're going to have a second candle going on, and this will help us figure out what is happening. Okay, so see how we have a pressure here on the black line. See how it just popped up a little bit. So it looks like it's wanting to hold on at least for this hour. Let's see the next hour, which is going to happen in 8 minutes. Depending on the time we take on this analysis, we might see this one went up. Look how the volume is increasing compared to the other ones. Look how the Bollinger Band is getting tight. So we definitely have a moment of decision going on. Okay, what I said in the Brazilian analysis, that it's not impossible to see Bitcoin. Let me go back to you guys. Here we go. It's not impossible to see Bitcoin going down from now until 6 a.m. Brazil time, UTC -3 tomorrow. And after that, it might go up again. I already saw that, and they're just making spread to make money. Okay, so let's keep our eyes on that to see how that's going to go on. What else do we have on a 4-hour chart? We have the volume increasing for this current candle, and let's see how it's going to happen. In 6 minutes, we're going to have an X candle. Let's check out our volume wave. It is going down nice and neat, but look at the pivot wave. It is too big. It is too strong on the negative side. See? So it could mean two things. One, that it's going to take like forever for this negative volume wave to fade. Okay, or we might see a subsequent wave going on. It could do like something like this. Okay, so let's keep our eyes on that to see how things are gonna go out tonight. It looks like we are definitely in a decision moment for Bitcoin. Okay, before I conclude this analysis, I have to remember you guys that this analysis is already available on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, TradingView, and LinkedIn. And reminding you guys, let me put it in English, right? And reminding you guys that my disclaimer says that my opinion is only my opinion. This is not an investment advisory. Okay, well, let's go back to the 1 day chart, daily chart. Here we go. We lost the short-term trend today, earlier, actually on this December 10th. We lost it there, and since then we're going down. And if it keeps going like that, we might lose. We are just a tiny way to lose the midterm trend. All right, let's watch that to see how it's gonna go. Right now we are moving on the daily chart with negative money pressure and spread price spread as well. Okay, so it is going negative. Let's see if we have something on a pivot, on the daily pivot. Yes, it's trying to grow a negative bar on the daily chart. So that means that it could take like forever for this negative wave to fade. All right, let's keep our eyes on that. If it wasn't for this, check out how the MACD is fading negative, but it is starting to turn around. Even though we have this line going down, wanting to cross the black line. So let's see how that is going to develop. All right, how that is going to go on. For now, it has it has some indication that we are going negative. And if it's true, we might break out today with this candle. We might break out the bullish wedge. All right. So let's keep our eyes, like I said, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. One has to confirm the other one from either one side, going negative or going positive. If we look right now, the daily, which is a brand new candle, it just has 58 minutes of age. We still have 1 hour. We have 23 hours to go. And if we check out, look how the stochastic is putting pressure on the downturn. Look at the line of the stochastic, the K, the letter K. It is putting pressure. Look how deep this histogram bar is going. So that what is convincing me that we might have a negative situation going on. Okay, again, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart. This is our moment of decision. There's another thing that I never spoke here, but I'm going to tell you guys right now. Look at these little three dots. What is this? This is the SAR. What is SAR? SAR. It is stop and reversal. It means that it was going up, kind of like supporting the prices. Now it is going down, kind of like pushing the prices down. Okay, so it could just pop up once and come back or not. It looks like it's going to take a while. Only if we have a huge red green bar, and then it would pop down again. Otherwise, we still have all indication that something negative might go on. Okay, if we check the weekly chart, we can see that we still have that old problem of prices going up and volume going down. Okay, but now we have uh, an inverted hammer on the top of the the move of the price move, and it's already moving down. Okay, so we have a situation right there, and with a negative volume bar, even though we have a formation of a positive wave on the volume wave indicator, as you guys can see right here. But still, we are on a weekly chart. We are on the 2 days. Actually started the third day of trading day. So let's see how that's going to go. But we already lost. We are losing actually the money pressure. We are almost losing the spread, the price spread. What else that we might be losing? Let me see. For now, it's that. So we still have a mix of signs on the weekly chart. I won't even go further on the monthly chart because we're still on the middle of it. But let's see if there's some considerations here. Yeah, we still have a mix of sign as well. We better keep our eyes on the daily chart and on the 1 hour chart. All right, folks, that's it. There's a big fight going on. See how the candle is going. It's going deeper, coming back, going deeper, coming back on the 4 hour chart. Let's see how it looks. All right, we have just born a new candle, 1.5 minute old. Let's see how that's going to go on, but it's already born negative, okay, on the 1 hour chart. So folks, we have to keep our eyes on the top trend 1H 4H. Okay, that's it for today. Hopefully you guys liked it. Please give me a like on my video down here. Okay, and follow me on all my social network. I am updating my Telegram constantly, so you guys can have the last news. I'm gonna try to keep my eyes up open today. Brazil time is it's 10 p.m. right now, but I'm just gonna follow on because it looks like we have a lot going on. Oh, there's one more thing here. We have it's converging the downtrend of the histogram, the stochastic histogram, and the prices. It's converging, saying, "I want to go down. I want to go down." Okay. So as you guys can see, I don't see a lot of positive things. Only if they want to go way down, 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Brazil time, UTC -3, it starts going up again, and then the daily the, the the daily move goes on, and let's see how that's gonna go. Okay, that's it for today, folks. Thank you very much for following me here, and with this crazy trade day going on, and with this analysis, now it's showtime. Take care.